Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng aking version ng pork curry. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Okay, here are our ingredients. We have here 200 grams pork cubes, 3 pieces potatoes, 3 pieces regular size carrots, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 2 pieces regular size tomatoes, 2 pieces bell pepper, 2 pieces calamansi, we will be using 40 grams of McCormick curry powder, 200 grams of frozen green peas. Gagamit din tayo ng 139 grams pineapple chunks. And we have here 3 cups na coconut milk. Bali, kahapon namin to siya binili ka-friendship. Bali, fresh to siya kahapon pero in the sense na hindi ko pa siya ginamit. So, nilagay ko na lang siya muna sa freezer. And of course, we will be using salt and pepper and also cooking oil. And later, we will be using water. Okay, so let's start cooking ka-friendship. Okay, so ka-friendship, ayan, mainit na yung ating pot. So, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. So, at this point, igigisa lang natin yung ating garlic. Dagdag na rin natin ang ating onion. At saka yung ating tomatoes. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating pork cubes. Lagyan natin siya ng konting salt and pepper. So ayan, haluin na natin siya mabuti pa friendship. And then isi-simmer lang natin siya hanggang maging golden brown yung pork or yung maglalabas na ng sariling oil ang ating pork. Okay, so babalikan natin siya later. Ayan ka-friendship, golden brown na yung ating pork. So at this point, pwede na tayo maglagay ng konting tubig. Ilagay na rin natin yung juice ng ating pineapple chunks. idagdag na rin natin yung kalahating portion ng ating coconut milk. Then, idagdag na rin natin yung kalahating portion din ng ating curry powder. By the way, ka-friend chef, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung McCormick na brand, kasi katamtaman lang yung timpla niya. Yung anghang niya, katamtaman lang. Kasi yung iba, sobrang anghang at saka medyo mapait. So, ayan, McCormick talaga yung ginagamit ko kapag nagluluto ng curry. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan, ka-friend chef. Antayin natin hanggang maging malambot yung pork natin. Okay, so let's go back later. So, ayan, ka-friend chef, nag-transfer kami sa induction stove kasi naubusan kami ng gasol. So, ayan, luto na yung ating pork. So, what we're going to do next is ilagay natin yung ating carrots. Dagdag na rin natin ang ating patatas. So, ayan. Hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan, ka-friend chef, ng mga at least 2 minutes or hanggang maluto yung ating carrots at saka patatas. So, balikan natin siya later. Ayan, ka-friend chef, luto na yung ating carrots at saka patatas. At this point, idagdag na natin yung ating green peas. At saka yung ating pineapple chunks. Ayan. Then, idagdag na rin natin yung ating kalahating portion ng curry powder. Saka yung ating pangalawang portion ng coconut milk. So, ayan, pakuluan na lang natin siya dyan, ka-friend chef, ng at least 2 minutes or hanggang maluto yung ating pangalawang coconut milk. So, ayan, ka-friend chef, okay na yung ating pangalawang coconut milk. So, bago tayo magdagdag ng panghuling ingredients natin, tikman natin ang alat kung okay na. ayan, okay na siya ka-French chef. So, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating bell pepper. Ayan. Maging makulay na yung ating pork curry. Bigyan natin ng kulay ang ating buhay. So, ayan. The last but not the least, mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 pirasong calamansi sa ating pork curry to enhance the flavor of our dish. Okay? So, ka-French chef, luto rin yung ating pork curry. So, ready na siya for serving. Ito lang muna natin. Kuya ka-French chef, ang ating finished product, ang ating pork curry. So, ayan na siya ka-French chef. Thank you, French chef. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video ito, and kindly hit that like and share. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay? And every single comment is highly appreciated. So, once again, this is Umira at your service. Always remember that be thankful for all the struggles you go through. They make you stronger, wiser, and humble. Do not let it break you. Let it make you. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.